Very welcome to this video on ChatGPT. We are going to have a look at how we can take advantage of ChatGPT in order to clean some of our data. The example we're going to have a look at will be some Transfermarkt data where we are going to look at Erling Haaland. So what I will do as an example, I've just come into his profile and I've scrolled down a little bit. It could be any data you would like. I just know that this is a real case. A lot of people are collecting this type of data from Transfermarkt and would like to have a look at it for a lot of players or clubs or leagues, etc. So what I will do is that I will copy and paste this one. And if I now open this in Excel and I paste this data here, what you will see is that the data is left in this format. For many people, taking it into this format will be challenging in order for them to easily do some analysis without too many transformations. So what people normally prefer is a simple table very much in the format that we see here in the Transfermarkt website. So what we can do with this being marked, we can come in, we can again copy and paste all of this, and what we can tell ChatGPT is that I have this data from Transfermarkt. Can you put it into a table format? We can then just jump down a little bit, we paste in the data, and we can see what he starts doing. So straight away, we can see that he starts to play around with the data. And one of the things that we notice is that we have some blank rows. So in this case, you see that there is one for each transfer. What we then can tell him is that every second row seems to be missing data. Can they be joined together? And we can now see that the format is modified. So if we come back here, we can see the data is now the same as it is in Transfermarkt. So that's how you can do that straight away. If we now come in and we take another player, we could just find any other player we would be interested in. We take this information, and what we can do now is to say, please do the same for this player, and we paste. And you can now see that he knows the last modifications that we did, so he remembers the format of this one. So all what's been written in this text so far, he remembers. So now we can simply take this one, we can come to Excel and we can delete all of that. We can come and paste it, and we now have that in a different format. What we also can do is to add some other things if we would like. We can tell him to remove the comma, we only want whole numbers. We can remove the dollar sign and the million sign. We can say, okay, please give me the country of this team or competition that you're playing in. And we can do a lot of other modifications as well. So with that being said, this is how you, as a quick example, can take advantage of the ChatGPT functions in order to clean some of your data so that's more easily imported into Excel.